Guys, Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a haul video. I've been kind of stacking stuff up for several days now, and so I need to get this video made so I can use all my new things. Starting with a haul from the 1407 planners. I am on her team, so if you'd like to purchase any of these items, you can use my code that's right down here for 10% off anything in the shop. I'm starting with this personal size insert. I'm just using this for daily quotes and scripture writing. I have a kind of personal mental wellness journal in personal size, and so I just needed a refill on that. I'm really excited about this insert. I've been using her vertical Dutch door style insert, which looks like this for my weekly with, you can see the sidebars, but it's kind of gotten a little repetitive, and I love the daily Dutch door style, so I'm switching to this. She's had this insert in the store for a little while, but I asked her to make a slight adjustment for me, so it's available now in this format. So you've got your weekdays, and they're all 1.5 inch boxes, so they fit popular stickers, plus this kind of sidebar that's blank. This side has your weekend and another blank bar, and in the original version this was like a list. It had like check boxes and lines, or maybe it was just lines. But I wanted a dot grid so that I can do something. I don't know what yet with this. I'll be filming a plan with me in this weekly insert this week, and I'll have it up here on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. The rest of these items actually release on Friday. They're not out just yet, but they will be up on Friday at the 1407planners.com. This is her summer collection of try your size vinyl covers. So this is just a simple vinyl cover. It doesn't have pockets or anything. It comes with the elastics to string it. It's really easy to do. They hold like 3 or 4 inserts, and it's just a great way to try a new size. I like this little guy for she does a monthly challenge, and I do like a list challenge, and it's kind of fun to have a micro size for that stuff. I also got a B6 size, which I think is going to end up being a dashboard in my main planner. I just really loved the colors in it and could not resist. And those coordinate with this summer accessory kit or to-go kit. These kits are not sized, so it's one size fits all. It comes with this really awesome pouch, which is great for storage. And these kits have paper, which you can see here, that's a half letter size sheet. So it works really well if you use it in a dashboard for a B6. It fits that way. You can use it really as a dashboard with any size, or if you do like a pocket size, then it fits perfectly around the inserts. So these are double-sided papers. I'm just going to turn it this way. There's that one. I love the scooter. Super cute. I'm excited to add these just for another little pop of summer color in my planner. This one's vellum. It's hard to see in these lights, but it's vellum. That's great. It also comes with die cuts. The 1407 die cuts, if you've never ordered from them, are extremely heavy cardstock. They're really durable, and I love that about them. So there's some sunglasses and a floral, this other floral, ice cream cone, a bow, which, I'm all about the bow life, love it, and the scooter, so cute. In the scooter theme, there's this great little charm. 2 journaling cards. This one says every summer has its own story, and this one says sweet summertime. An exclusive embroidered bow clip, and then these stickers, which eclectically Emily does for the 1407. They're great quality and so cute. So I'm really excited to use that stuff. I will share with you when I do. And the next thing, is my Simply Gilded order. I got the Candy Bows set in 15mm, and it looks like this one has gold foil and the rest are silver. And then I got the butterfly bundle, so that comes with these cute sticky notes and a journaling card that says Dreamer, and these beautiful foiled stickers. They're so gorgeous. And here is the washi tapes. Okay, so this one is the butterfly. It's a pink background, and it has rose gold foil. I love butterflies. They're kind of a transformation theme, which just really speaks to me. This is the floral with the rose gold. I'm gonna see if I can get the details to show up here. It's just so delicate and beautiful. I love it. And it came with both sizes. And I didn't open this one. Yeah, let's see here. This is the self-care. So it says workout, meditate, hydrate, breathe, me time. And it's got a, sorry, I should have done this ahead. It's got a watercolor. Oh, and plan and relax. It's got kind of a watercolor background and the rose gold foil. And then lastly, but certainly not least, is the purple mist. So I was a little hesitant because I'm not a huge purple fan. I like it in small doses. But this tape is perfect. It's gorgeous. It's, so my background is very like a white gray. You can see the color is pretty true what I'm seeing on the camera here. It has a tiny bit of a purple hint, but it's really quite gray. I think it might be one of my favorite washi tapes she's put out in a long time with a silver foil. Just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Irene. Those are beautiful. I was so excited that I was able to get them. It's always a bit of a, you know, hit or miss, but it worked out for me this time. This is the first time I've ever ordered from Alexandria at Paper Dove Shop, and I've heard such great things about her products. They're really, truly beautiful. So I got some washi from her. This is gold foiled bows on a marble background. And this one is a marble and then gold and then a beige stripe. Excited to use those. I don't remember ordering this. I think she tossed it in as a freebie. If so, thank you so much. And if not, I'm really glad I ordered them because they're really cute. And then I got 3 kits. Let's see. I didn't actually get whole kits. I got partial kits. I know the stickers that I use the most, and so that's kind of what I ordered. This is the Cassidy kit. So I got the bottom washi and date covers, these functional and half and quarter boxes, and then full boxes. I got the same 3 sheets in the, I think this is Avril collection. Kind of a galaxy theme, really cute. Some marble, and her paper is like really soft. I guess maybe it's just like a premium matte. I'm not sure, actually. I'm not a sticker expert, but it's really smooth. I really like it. I can't stop touching it. And then this is the Stella collection. Bottom washi and functional and full boxes. So I think that these 2 kits really coordinate well, and so I can use them together if I want to as well. And then this is the journaling card that came in the order. It says throw kindness around like confetti. So pretty. Another shop I purchased from for the first time is Pretty and Primco, and Erica included this extra summer sampler for me and a really sweet note. Thank you so much, Erica. Your stickers are gorgeous. She has lots of colorful kits as well, but I really was drawn to these neutral functional boxes, and so that's all I bought. And this is a marble with a bow, half boxes. This is just like a taupe color with bows. And then I did black as well. So I love that she's got like these scallop boxes, which are pretty unique. And even this scallop quarter box is just different than kind of the typical stickers that you see. I've always loved these circles with like the half pattern, which is so cute. It's more of the marble and scallop boxes. So anyway, those were so cute, and I found her through Charisse Plans on Instagram, so I know she has a code and I don't know what it is, but you should check out her Instagram to get a little money off. So cute. Okay, last but not least is my order from Plantasia PrintShop. I'm on her creative team, so I do get a discount, but I've purchased from her ever since she opened, and I love her stickers so much. It does mean that she usually combines my orders all into one enormous package, which is why there are so many. This is a full Erin Condren kit called Welcome Spring. It comes with full boxes, half and quarter boxes. This beautiful bottom washi, her detail is amazing. I love that her checklists are starburst. That's really unique. These are washi strips and then a bunch of different headers. And then I bought an extra set of the quarter boxes and full boxes because I use them all the time. And that allows me to make the rest of the kit stretch over 2 weeks because there are so many stickers. Deco stickers, date headers, and then these ombre checklists. This kit was originally part of a Plantasia pack, which she used to do a monthly subscription, and she doesn't do them anymore, so she's releasing the stickers by themselves one at a time into the shop. When I got this kit originally in this subscription, I really liked it, but I love it even more now. I'm kind of like digging the shabby chic thing this spring, so I was just like so excited that she brought it back. So full boxes, half and quarter boxes, those ombre checklists. I love, love, love these 2 stickers. I want like a whole sheet of just them. Such gorgeous vintage decorative stickers in this kit. Love it. The functional stickers. Look at the detail in this bottom washi. Kristen is seriously so talented. Washi and headers, and then again I bought extras of these 2 sheets just to help the whole kit stretch. And then this is a sidebar sticker. So you guys may have seen, if you follow me on Instagram, I used this Noir kit not that long ago and I love it so much. And I have a bunch of stickers left over, but I used all the full boxes and most of the half and quarter boxes. So I just got these 2 sheets again so that I can use the kit again. And that's the same with this one, which is Swan Lake. I just bought these 2 sheets to help stretch the kit. And then I have a couple of monthly things. So this is the June kit that she actually put out last year, but I didn't use it last year, so I just bought it so that I can get my monthly Erin Condren. I use a deluxe monthly for my like family planning and future planning, so it's perfect for that. And I especially love this because there's some little flamingo details, and I am going to Planner Jam for the 1407 in June, which is all flamingo themed, so it's kind of perfect. And then she didn't do a May monthly kit this year, and so I bought, this is the Neverland kit, and I'll show you guys if you follow me on Instagram, which I will link in the description. I'm going to be setting this up today. So you can use this bottom washi as like top washi, and all the rest of the stickers fit. So the date dots and the deco, and I'm just going to use these to decorate my month. And then lastly, this is Rainy Day Charisma. She has a whole bunch of different unicorns, but I just loved this little umbrella holding girl. It's about to get really rainy here, so it's a fun way to mark rainy days in my planner. That is all I have for today, so thank you again so much for watching.